Ready to turn your stellar Google reviews into a powerful trust-building asset right on your Wix website? First, head over to your Wix Editor. This is where the magic happens. Make sure you're in the editing mode of the site you want to add the Google reviews to. Next, on the left-hand side panel, look for the App Market icon. It looks like a little shopping bag. Click on it. In the App Market search bar, type Google reviews. You'll see several apps designed to pull in and display your Google reviews. Browse the apps and choose one that suits your style and needs. Consider factors like design, features, and pricing. Once you find the perfect app, click Add to Site. Now, the app will prompt you to connect to your Google business profile. Follow the on-screen instructions to authenticate and grant the app permission to access your reviews. This usually involves logging into your Google account. Once connected, you can customize the look and feel of the review display to perfectly match your website's design. Adjust things like fonts, colors, layout, and the number of reviews displayed. Hit Save and Publish. And that's it. Your glowing Google reviews are now front and center, building trust and driving conversions.